The ghost of the grid breakdown that plunged half of India into darkness last week may continue to haunt us as the network remains susceptible to wild overdrawing by the state governments in the face of increasing demand and poor capacity addition. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. Yash Raj, a Jaipur boy, has already demonstrated this through a micro project in a village in Rajasthan and says his smart grid systems can be scaled up to solve power problems in urban localities as well. Here is a detailed report by our correspondent.
Sitting some 150 km away from his customer's location, Khaitan in Jaipur knows in real time how much energy a villager is consuming at Khareda village in Tong district. This is where his startup Gram Power made a debut 2 months back, providing power to 200 people.
Gram Power has created a smart microgrid system to essentially cater to the three main challenges associated with rural electrification. The first of that is electricity theft. The second is affordable access to reliable power. And the third is, of course, that a bulk of rural India just receives a very unreliable supply of power, both in terms of quality of electricity and as well as quantity.
Yash Raj Khaitan, along with his one friend from University of California, has developed a technology model to electrify rural villages using renewable energy sources locally available. It generates power from solar, wind and biomass abundantly available in the area and stored in batteries. It is distributed to consumers using an invention called Smart Microgrid. This model not only addresses the issue of power shortage but makes electricity affordable as well.
We can interface our smart grid infrastructure with any form of generation, be it solar, be it biomass, hydro, or even the utility grid. And once we get this supply of electricity, the Gram Power smart grid system distributes this power in the most energy efficient and cost effective manner to the consumers.
In 2011, US space agency NASA had selected the Gram Power technology among top 10 clean technology innovations in the world.
There is a lot of interesting technology that we have deployed such that if one consumer is overdrawing or misusing this community resource, the other consumers in the grid don't get affected. So for example, if there's a single consumer who's drawing more power than what his connection is rated for, then the meter automatically shuts off. And then the meter waits for the consumer to remove that overload condition. We indicate to the consumer that there's an overload condition. And as soon as the consumer removes that overload condition, the meter turns back on. And so his overload or his overdrawing of power does not affect power supply in the rest of the grid.
Now let's see how it works. Renewable energy-based generation installed locally in the village distribution wiring is drawn in the village to connect each house consumers provided a Gram Power smart prepaid meter. Central monitoring system is installed in the generation station that talks to every meter. It wirelessly transfers this credit to the energy wallet. A local entrepreneur purchases bulk energy credit from Gram Power and then sells it to the locals using Gram Power's prepaid energy selling device, just like cell phone companies sell prepaid minutes. Just ₹10 per day buys enough prepaid recharge for 9 hours of lighting, 6 hours of a ceiling fan and TV, and charging a cell phone.
हमारे गांव में पहले सौर ऊर्जा की एक दो प्लेटें थी, तो उससे हमारा काम नहीं होता था, चलता था। बच्चे छोटे छोटे पढ़ाई के लिए भी असमर्थ थे और पढ़ नहीं पाते थे। जब हमारे गांव में ग्राम पावर आया, तब से सभी सुविधा बिजली लाइट की सारी 24 घंटा सुविधा मिल गई।
Gram Power's prepaid model means 100% payment recovery along with rupees per hour pricing brings lot of value as the customer knows how much balance and hour of power is left with his meter.
So when we were developing the Gram Power smart microgrid system, our main inspiration was the telecom revolution that has happened in rural India over the past 10 years or so. We believe that this revolution has largely happened because telecommunications provides an extremely high utility to the rural consumer, and at the same time, the prepaid purchase model that telecom came up with targeted the disposable income of the rural consumers. And the Gram Power system does exactly that. We provide our consumers an extremely high value proposition because people are able to use their daily disposable incomes and recharge our smart prepaid meters for as little as 20 to 30 rupees. And for as little as 20 rupees, our consumer is able to get as much as 80 hours of electricity supply in their homes. So the fact that we are able to provide the consumer a 24/7 electricity supply with this affordable payment plan is what makes the Gram Power system extremely unique and a strong value proposition for the rural consumer.
Besides getting many grants and awards, including initial support from Alibaba.com, the venture has already received a seed-level private equity funding from a Swiss company. But the real challenge and success of Gram Power is to build economies of scale so that hundreds of millions of people in rural hinterlands that are off the grid or receive intermittent supply get affordable, reliable and clean power that would replace the carbon-spewing costly kerosene and reduce the burden on the electricity grid.